I'm Jeff Rummel with Galley Yacht Sales Tampa Bay. Welcome aboard Paragon, an absolutely gorgeous 2019 Princess S65. Let's take a look. Paragon features the MAN engines with a premium extended service contract, 4-stateroom 3-head layout, plus a crew cabin with head, great electronics Garmin package, and a Seakeeper stabilizer. Standing on the lift platform, we have capacity to carry a personal watercraft, dinghy, or jet ski. Also, underneath this beautiful trunk that supports the sunbed, we have room for a 3.3-meter jet tender. As we transition up the port side, we have access to lazarette, access to the beautiful sunbed. From the aft deck, we have great access to the salon, engine room, and up to the sport bridge. The yacht is equipped with side boarding gates on both sides for easy boarding and features a cockpit docking and control station with bow and stern thruster and engine controls. With an easy transition on the wide sidewalks, we end up in the bow deck area. Once we arrive here, we have a beautiful sun deck area with a chase lounge, cushions forward, and a U-wrap seating aft. This area also gives you good access to the windlass and anchor system. Welcome to the Sportbridge on the S65 Princess. We currently have the bimini top folded down. On the aft portion of the deck, we have a large dining table with U-wrap seating and a nice entertaining area here with smokeless electric grill, an ice maker, stainless steel sink, and additional storage. The forward portion of the Sportbridge features a L-shaped lounge seating, a top-loading refrigerator, and a dual helm station with Garmin electronics and great visibility. As we transition from the cockpit forward, the doors slide all the way open, and we bring the outside in. Allows the galley to serve out to the outside cockpit and up to the flybridge. As we enter the yacht, we see a large dining table that expands out easily for additional guests and lots of room for dining. To port, we have our large galley, all on the same level as the dining area, with an island storage area here, full-size upright refrigerator freezer, abundant storage below counter with a Miele speed oven, microwave, and a 4-burner stovetop. Forward, we have additional storage and a double stainless steel sink with in-sink aerator. The yacht's cabinetry is finished in a satin walnut, which is the most popular in Princess product line today. As we move one step up and into the salon area, on the starboard side we have an entertaining area with our home theater, which is a Harman Kardon ice maker, large refrigerator, storage for your favorite beverages and glassware. So we have bottle storage and glassware storage. After that is the pop-up television with the home theater surround sound system. To port is our lounging area with U-wrapped leather seating, abundant windows, lots of bright light, opening sunroof, opening side windows, and our lower helm station. The lower helm station features great visibility, a full array of Garmin and marine electronics, engine data information, Seakeeper information, bow and stern thruster controls, and electronic engine controls for the MAN engines. Standing in the foyer, we have access to the starboard twin bed stateroom, the bunk stateroom to port, the VIP stateroom forward, and a master suite aft. As we transition forward, we have the guest head and shower and a VIP stateroom with its own private attached head and shower. The VIP stateroom has large windows, nice hanging closet, home theater system, and storage below the berth. Let's take a look at the midship with the twin berths. These berths electrically actuate so you can have 2 beds together or separate. Large hanging closet and access to the head and shower. Just outside the master stateroom, we have a full-sized, high-capacity washer and dryer unit. As we're transitioning aft into the master stateroom, we find a full beam master with large windows, abundant storage below the countertop, indirect and direct lighting, privacy blinds, a large island berth with storage below, and a a settee with storage forward and aft. As we move aft, we step into a large hanging closet dressing area that's attached to the full beam master bath and shower. To port, we have a nice guest stateroom with over-under twin bed, hanging closet, storage above, and a nice opening port light with window blinds. Thank you for joining me today aboard Paragon, an absolutely stunning 2019 Princess S65 Sportbridge. For more information, please visit us at GalleyYachts.com.